like that? Ha ha ha, what a god of poverty you are. Shut up, drunkard.
Is that Zonglai?
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy?
You must have dreamt a lot about being in the main party.
Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality.
That's deep but true.
What kind of nonsense is that, Torch? So you realized that it's 3 AM, right?
Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see.
What's wrong with the sky?
Oh, that impossible to get an Amoculus?
PFFT.
Yeah. That was so hard to get.
Then fly up to the sky and get it, so you won't be useless anymore. That'll be a huge help for the traveler.
Indeed.
I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy.
What? You've become Zangli 2.0 now? I did not understand why you consider yourself as poor. I can give you 1,000,000 more if you let me go on a date with Lumine.
I'm sorry. I'm more expensive than that. I'm priceless.
Because I'm easy come, easy go.
Yeah. Making temporary bridge is such an easy task for you.
Little high, little low.
Yeah. We know you're short, so what now?
Anyway the wind blows.
Of course. The wind sure help you to glide.
It's not windy though.
Doesn't really matter to me.
God, it's 3 AM. Please sleep. I do not understand why you're telling me to sleep. Oh, I see. What now?
Just killed a man.
Who killed who?
Great, let me help you bury the body then.
Put a gun against his head. Pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun. But now I've gone and thrown it all away.
Can't you be more dramatic than that?
Mama,
Why you're looking for Mum?
didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow.
He's drunk. Don't do drugs, kids. Never do drugs in front of a god.
Carry on, carry on. Nothing really matters.
They've become insane. Is this how the current era works?
Byman doesn't get it at all. I want to help, but
Too late. My time has come.
Ether, for Pyman's sake.
When are you gonna sleep?
Sent shivers down my spine. Body's aching all the time.
You drink a lot, so face the consequences.
Dionysus mortal vessel?
Who is that guy?
Oh, I searched it on the internet. He's the god of alcohol.
I see. Another Archon.
Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go.
Traveler, where are you going?
Traveler is so done with you.
Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth.
Truth, you'll never be with Lumine. Drug is bad, kids.
Are they possessed by some evil spirits?
Mama, I don't wanna die. Sometimes wish I'd never been born at all.
You're so dramatic.
Well, I'd expect Zao to say that instead of him. I'm not that dramatic. Says the guy who refused to watch The Lantern, but ended up watching it. What just happened? Even gods cannot fix their poor souls. I did not like where this is going.
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche. Scaramouche, will you do the fandango?
FVCK this shit, I'm out. He lost his cool lol.
Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening.
Don't worry. It's okay to be scared of thunder.
I don't like this. Neither. Not you too.
Traveler has been possessed too.
Galileo, Galileo, Galileo Figaro. Magnifico! I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from this monstrosity.
Oh, to see without my eyes. Do not do drugs. He literally said nobody loves him.
Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Bismillah, no, we will not let you.
And now you too. You're losing your sanity. I'm a bit worried.
Can someone tell me what's going on?
Let him go! Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let him go! Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go! We'll not let you go. Let me go! We'll not let you go. Let me go! Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. Mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me. For me. For me.
Now I'm worried for this god.
Maybe Deluxe should have banned him from his tavern so this won't happen at all.
I pity you for letting yourself possessed by the devil.
So you think you can stop me and spit my eye? So you think you can love me and leave me to die? Oh, baby, can't do this to me, baby.
Am I the last one who keeps his sanity?